Is your Google Chrome refusing to open or constantly crashing? Super frustrating, right? Don't worry, you're just a few steps away from fixing it. Welcome to New Tech World Order, where we make tech problems disappear. If you're tired of browser breakdowns, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so we can keep bringing you quick and helpful tech fixes. Let's jump in and get your Chrome working again. First, we need to make sure Chrome isn't already running in the background, even if it seems like it's not. Click on your search bar and type in Task Manager. Once it opens, look for anything related to Chrome. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of Task Manager to find it quickly. Now, select each Chrome process and hit End Task. Don't forget to close background processes too. Anything that mentions Chrome needs to go. This shuts down anything that might be stopping Chrome from opening properly. Once that's done, try launching Chrome again. If it opens up like normal, awesome. You're all set. Still having trouble? No problem. Let's try something else. Find your Chrome shortcut, probably on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click it and choose Open File Location. You'll be taken to the folder where Chrome lives. Click on the main Chrome application file. Now let's rename it. Just add something simple to the end, like the word new or a number. You might get a permission pop-up, just press Continue. With that file still selected, right-click it again, choose Show More Options, hover over Send To, and click Desktop, Create Shortcut. You've now made a fresh shortcut that bypasses the old one. Try launching Chrome using this new shortcut, and see if it works. If it still doesn't open, don't stress. Sometimes the best solution is a clean slate. Go ahead and uninstall Chrome completely, and then download and reinstall the latest version from the official site. That usually does the trick. If this guide helped, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share this with someone else who's tired of Chrome crashing on them. This is New Tech World Order, your shortcut to smoother tech. Catch you in the next video.